Today's Kingswood floor plan has 4 beds, 3 baths, a covered back deck, a double car garage, and is surrounded by trees on over an acre. Don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now what we do on my channel is I visit new construction communities and do tours of new build homes to create a catalog for you. So if this is something you're interested in or you're thinking of moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the Halifax area, do me a huge favor, hit the like, notification, and subscribe buttons so you can stay up to date with all the latest communities. I'm here today in the heart of Lost Creek, a premier lifestyle subdivision in Beaver Bank. Now, if you're not sure where this is, we are about 35 kilometers northeast of Halifax. It's about 35-minute drive to the downtown core, so 25 minutes into Dartmouth, and only about 25 minutes to the airport as well. Now, if you're trying to access here, you're going to take the 101 and get off exit 2, and then it's a straight 9-kilometer shot just up Beaver Bank Road. Now for your daily needs, you're literally only about a 10-minute drive from the main commercial hub of Sackville. That's where your Atlantic Superstore, your Canadian Tire, lots of gyms, movie theaters, restaurants, you name it. It's just a 10-minute drive away. Now the anchor of this community is definitely the Lost Creek Golf Club. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the sign here. It's an 18-hole public course that's just a 3-minute drive away from most of the new houses in this subdivision. The Lost Creek vibe is definitely about space and privacy, with most lots being wooded and at least 1 acre of space. While it's a planned community, the wide setbacks and winding roads give it a quiet, country-like feel that is perfect for families. Now, when you're in subdivisions like this with lots of acreage outside of the city, you are going to be on well and septic, and as I always say, that's nothing for you to worry about whatsoever. Basically, you can forget about your municipal water bill every month because you're not going to have to pay one. And having a brand new septic system gives you 25 to 30 years of self-assurance as long as you take good care of it and know what to flush down the toilet. Now, lastly, I'm going to put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen for you to see. And as always, if you have any questions for me at all about the area, just reach out, and I hope you enjoy the home tours. So before we go inside to check out the Kingswood model here by Gerald Mitchell Homes, I wanted to just remind you, I don't represent any of the builders on my channel. I'm able to get in through my great relationships with their listing agent to provide you, the viewer, tours to see these homes. Now, this is not the only model that Gerald Mitchell has available right now in this subdivision. They also have the Kinsack model available, so I have the specs for that on the screen for you. They do build these models in a lot of different subdivisions. So of course it's March 2nd, 2026 right now. There's a chance by the time you're watching this video, these are gone. Don't worry. You can always reach out to me. I will let you know where they're building them next and we can see if there's a fit for you. Okay, so we are checking out the Kingswood model by Gerald Mitchell Contracting. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage. It's just over 2,500 square feet. And this particular lot we are on is just under 1.4 acres. Okay, I'm going to just take a quick look around so you can see the garage does have a separate entry out here, as most do. Okay, so you've got a door there. You can see all the snow we've gotten. Today is March 2nd, and we've had nothing but snow through February, so hopefully we are through with it. So coming into the home, okay, we have this nice big wide staircase going up. Just gonna open the door, take my shoes off. If it is your first time watching my channel and you are interested in looking at some new construction homes, my information will be on screen. I'd be honored to take you through the process and talk to you about it. If you already have a realtor, that's cool too. You just take them along, but I'm here to provide value to you, and I hope you enjoy this tour and many others. So you can see they still have some of the tape down on the stairs, but this home is ready. So you've got a coat closet here right to the left. Again, tile in the entryway. I believe it's hardwood on the stairs and then laminate throughout the floors. So you're gonna look right up. It is a split entry home. You're gonna look right up into your kitchen, dining area, and your living room. But we're gonna go downstairs first. So right off to the right here is a 4th bedroom, right at the foot of the stairs here. Nice, good size. So that window faces the front of the house. And over here you have your closet. So again, at the foot of the stairs, that's just going to be understairs storage. Good spot for things. And your double car garage. So this garage is 23 by 20. Nice and wide. Okay, right next to the bedroom, you're gonna have your laundry room. So the laundry room is downstairs. It's really big. The full tour here. Closet there. And this door here is going to be to your utility area / storage. If you are putting anything in storage here, just keep it neat around in your utility rooms, remember. So everything's here for your well. There's your hot water tank, your air exchanger, and your hookup for your internet. It's gonna be right in here. Again, we've got tile flooring in the laundry room. Apologies for slamming that door there. You've got a full 4-piece bath here. Okay. Tucked in behind the door. Nice big closet, linen closet for downstairs. And over to the right, we have a really large rec room, family room, you name it, whatever you might use this room for. It's very deep. If you're looking for the floor plans for this, again, we are in the Kingswood model. Just reach out to me. I'd be happy to send them along to you if you want the measurements. You can see we have a heat pump downstairs. So these ductless heat pumps, again, if you're not familiar with them, I always explain it. They are gonna cool your house in the summer, heat your house in the winter. They are very efficient. There's only a few days where it's too cold of the year where you don't wanna run them, but other than that, they are very good to go. And you also have baseboard heating. Nice windows looking out to the back of the property. And we're gonna go back upstairs and see the main living area because I know that's where you want to see. Nice light coming in, nice and bright. So this is gonna open up. Nice open concept. You see the vaulted ceiling there. The fireplace is propane. So if you haven't dealt with propane before, here you're going to rent the propane tank. It's roughly somewhere between $100 to $150 a year on average. And then you are going to pay for your refills of propane throughout the year, obviously. You have baseboard and you have a heat pump. Nice big windows. That would be your kind of your living room area. Probably you mount your TV above the fireplace if you didn't use that large rec room for another TV room or family room. Over there's your dining area. You get slider doors on the back deck. And as my channel is still fairly new, it's in the, this is probably the 14th or 15th home I've shot for the channel. This will be the first time I've been able to walk out on a back deck because of all the snow we've had. And the reason I can do that is we are covered here on this section of the deck, which is a great addition. It's quite expensive to do if you don't have an overhang on already. So the deck itself is 12 by 20. This area is covered where the snow is. That section's not, but this is a great spot to have so you can still enjoy time outside when the weather isn't so cooperative. Okay, it's minus 16 today and I am not in my jacket and I'm not in my shoes, so I'm gonna go back inside. So there's your kitchen. I believe we have quartz countertops. I'm gonna check the cupboards. They are up to the ceiling and they are soft close. So no banging around. That's where your dishwasher would go. Nice undermount sink, tile backsplash. There's your stove, big space for your refrigerator. Good sized kitchen island. It is wired, so it is built in. Anything that is built in has to be wired by code, so there's not wires stringing across your kitchen. It's a safety issue. It was nice to see. And a nice big pantry. Light in the pantry as well. Okay, these are 9-foot ceilings throughout the house as well. Right at the front of the hallway here, a small linen closet. So what we're looking at, first door on the right is your main bathroom, 2 bedrooms on the left, and at the end of the hall is the primary with an ensuite. So here's your main bath. And if you have any questions about this house, or you want to explore other homes in the area, not necessarily new construction, again, feel free to reach out to me. Or my Calendly link will also be in the description if you'd like to schedule a strategy session or a call to talk about either moving, buying, or selling here in Halifax. This is a nice, good sized bedroom. Because the stairs and there's a closet in the front entryway, that's why this is here, but a good mount. You want to put a TV up there or books or use it as shelving. Good sized closet here. That's the primary there. We're going to go in there last. It's your 3rd bedroom or 2nd bedroom, depending on how you want to number them. Looks out to the front. Closet here. So Gerald Mitchell usually does custom trim on all his closets, and a lot of the trim work in the homes is unique as well. Here is your primary. Nice, good size. It's plenty deep, lots of space for a king. The window is out to the back of the property. Got a baseboard heater in here. You have a walk-in closet. Go on inside. Your attic access is in here as well. And tucked in behind the door is more closet. Okay, so we're almost done. We're gonna go into the ensuite bathroom last. If you've watched any of my tours, you know this is the trend. I usually finish off in the primary and the ensuite. So we have a soaker tub there. Beautiful tiled shower, standing shower. A nice deep tub they put in. Great to relax in. Nice window out to your backwoods. No one can look at you. There's a baseboard heater inside here. It's a single vanity in this ensuite. Your toilet. so that is it for the Kingswood model. Again, I'm out in Lost Creek today. The listing price of this model is $885, but if you're curious about it in other areas as well, just reach out. Hope you enjoyed the tour and let me know what you think in the comments. We'll see you on the next one.